All right, our focus question. So again, Haley counted the number of pets all her friends have. Using this graph, we're going to determine the median. So first of all, remember the mode was the number that we saw the most of, which was 1 and 2. The range was that biggest number minus the smallest number. And that was 5 minus 0, which was 5. Now the median, remember, is the middle. Middle. And we must put them in order. So let's go ahead and put them in order. Remember, when we read this dot plot here, this is a 0. We replace each of these dots with the number they're at. This is a 1, this is another 1, 2, 2, 3, and a 5. So we have a 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Let's go ahead and find the middle. Here's our middle, our median, the number in the middle, which is 2. And that's going to be it for our focus question. Great job.